In this video, I am going to teach you how to make a PPT presentation with pictures and laptop. So the first thing you need to do is you need to make sure that you have a PowerPoint presentation enabled from there. So if you have your PowerPoint application on your PC, then you should be able to see in here this part. So it's actually enabled on some education licenses, or if you have in here it already pre-installed on your PC. Just open your PowerPoint. From in there, you can see in here this. We have in here some options for blank presentations as well as some templates that we already have available into this port. So you can click on this more themes right here and you can explore more themes that you can actually use. In my case, I'll head over and then choose in here this universal presentation. I'll head over and use a template since this actually is much more easier than the other one, which is to start from blank. Click on the this create option right here and then this will download this template and open it into your PowerPoint. Now in here, you can actually see that there are some slides that has pictures. So if you want to add in here some pictures, just head over and click onto this insert option. Click onto this pictures option and import it from your laptop or from this device. So this will open in here this port so you can see in here the pictures that we have available. I'll head over and add in here this and click on insert. And as you can see, it's been added. So you can just input that right here and just position it wherever you want to put it. Now you also have the option to have or make it a border, like for example, a circle border. We also have this border right here, and as you can see, this is what it looks. Since we already have in here this new picture, you can delete this initial one and then have it just like this. Now you can also do the same things on the other tabs that we have enabled. Once you're done, head over and click on the save option, or you can also click on Control Save on your PC in order to save this. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.